Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, installing your keyless license, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install your keyless license after you've installed Eclipse or if you've just now decided to go keyless. When you sign up for an Eclipse keyless license for Advantage Software, it will be emailed to you from someone in our account services staff. The email will say Eclipse license file, and it will include instructions on what to do with the file. I'm going to download this file, and I want to choose to save as, and I'm going to choose to save it directly to my desktop, and I'm going to make sure that the name is eclipse.lic, and the save as type should be LIC file. I'll hit save. The file has finished downloading, and if I minimize my browser, you see that it's here on my desktop. However, you do not want to open the license itself. What you do want to do is make sure that you're connected to the internet. After ensuring that I'm connected to the internet, I'm going to open Eclipse. Eclipse will prompt me to activate and install the current license, and I'll press yes. And when I go into Eclipse, this license will now be listed under Support, About Eclipse, and you see that the license is listed there. The license can be installed on as many computers as you use Eclipse on. You just can't use Eclipse on more than one computer at once. As long as you don't delete the email, it will stay in your inbox, and you can use it to install the license on any new computer that you get in the future. But don't worry if you lose it or change your email address. Account Services is always willing to send you a new copy. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thanks so much and have a great day.